Okay, so I'm just doing some mac and cheese for tonight. I am still, like, I was feeling good after the gym, but now I'm, like, tired again. So I got a lot of things I want to do, and I don't really want to deal with dinner. I'm working on a writing class. I'm working on some writing. It's not a class, it's like advice. I don't want too much butter in there. So I'm looking at some of the great people who are writers and trying to get some advice from them. Oh shoot, that burner's still hot. I could have melted that. So just something simple and easy. Okay, that's not soupy enough for me. I like it kind of soupy. And I like, not too soupy. I like it not all mixed up. I actually like getting little chunks of cheese sometimes in my bites of food. Yeah, so I don't even mix it all the way sometimes. I remember when I was a little girl, I was over Mike and Colette's. And Colette, they were my, let me see, my dad's cousins, so my second cousins. So she gave me macaroni and cheese in the can. And I remember my mother picking me up, and I was crying when Colette had it at the table because I was like, I don't want that. And I started crying. And she's like, you don't have to eat it, honey. You don't have to eat it. But I felt like I had to. I don't know where that comes from. Like if it was because I had to eat what was on the table at home, or I felt like I couldn't save something. I don't know. So, yeah, real easy.